Buying a soundbar in 2026 with so many options out there, it's honestly confusing to pick the right one. So in this video, I'm showing you the top 5 best soundbars across different budgets to help you find the right one for your setup. Let's start with the JBL Cinema SV560. Now this one caught my attention for a very simple reason. It doesn't try to impress you with a crazy specifications. Instead, it focuses on the things most people actually care about. The dedicated center channel keeps dialogues nice and clear. So whether you are watching movies, cricket or YouTube, voices stay easy to understand. Then there's the wireless subwoofer which adds enough punch to make action scenes and music more enjoyable without overwhelming everything else. You also get Dolby Audio, HDMI, ERC and Bluetooth. So connectivity isn't something you will have to worry about. For around 12,000, this feels like a very safe upgrade over your TV speakers. If you want to check the latest price or today's best deal, I've added the best buying link in the description below. Now this is where things start feeling like a real home theater. The Sony ST-S20R isn't about flashy features, it's about getting the surround sound experience right. You get real 5.1 channel with dedicated rear speakers and a separate subwoofer. And trust me, that makes a noticeable difference when you are watching movies. Background effects feel more natural, action scenes have better impact, and dialogues stay nice and clear. Sony also does a great job with sound tuning, so everything feels balanced instead of just being loud. If movies and OTT content are your priority, this is easily one of the safest choice in this price range. You can find the latest price and buying link for the Sony STS20R in the description below. Now if you want something that feels complete right out of the box, take a look at the LG S65TR. What I really like here is that LG isn't just giving you a soundbar and a subwoofer. You also get wireless rear speakers, which instantly make movies and OTT content feels more immersive. The 600-watt output has enough power for most living rooms, and thanks to AI Sound Pro, the sound automatically adjusts based on what you are watching. So whether it's a movies, a cricket match, or even regular YouTube videos, everything sounds well balanced without constantly changing settings. And if you already own an LG TV, features like BOW interface make the whole experience even smoother. If you are interested in the LG S65TR, I've left the buying link in the description along with the latest price. Now this one is for people who just want to go all in. The Zebronic Jugba 10,000 isn't trying to be subtle. It's built to deliver a full-blown home theater experience. You get 7.2.4 channels surround sound, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, dual wireless rear speakers, and a massive 1100-watt output. On paper, the specs already looks impressive, but what really stands out is how much bigger everything feels. Movies sound more cinematic, action scenes hit harder, and the surround effects do a great job of pulling you into the scene. If you are the kind of person who loves watching action movies or just want the biggest sound possible, this one is hard to ignore. Want to know the latest price or grab one? Check out the buying link in the description below. And finally, this is the soundbar I enjoyed the most, the Samsung SWQ700F. Now here's the thing, it doesn't try to impress you with huge wattage numbers. Instead, it focuses on delivering a cleaner and more premium listening experience. The true 3.1.2 channel setup, along with wireless Dolby Atmos, creates a wider sound stage that feels more natural, especially while watching movies. The dedicated center channels keeps voices crisp, while the upfiring speakers add that extra sense of space in Dolby Atmos content. And if you already on a Samsung TV, Q Symphony is a really nice bonus. Both the TV speakers and the soundbar work together, making the overall sound feels even bigger. It just sounds good no matter what you are watching. If you are looking for a premium home theater experience without stepping into the ultra expensive category, the Samsung Q700F is easily one of the strongest options you can buy right now. If this is the one you are planning to buy, you'll find the buying link at the latest deal in the description below. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.